You're a lovely girl, Charity. Sweet, Charity.
Gee, for a weirdo, he's very nice. Sweet Charity. Sweet Charity. Sweet Charity, that's what he calls me. Can you imagine? I've gone out with the guy now 6 times in the last 2 weeks, and all he's ever tried is that hand smooching business. Hey, that is a pass, isn't it?
No. Is it, Helene?
What?
If a man kisses your hand, would you classify that as a pass?
Well, that depends.
On what?
On where your hand is when he kisses it.
Hey, where was your hand?
On the end of my arm. He has always behaved like a perfect gentleman.
What's a perfect gentleman?
It's not my fault you've never met one.
Hey, if he kisses your hand all the time, maybe he's after something.
Like what?
Your wristwatch.
The only thing he's after is inner contentment, and he wants me to help him find it.
Honey, you sure picked up a couple of $100 words since you've been going around with this goofball.
Oscar is not a goofball. He's a highly complicated and very intelligent person.
Okay, so besides slobbering all over your knuckles, what else can he do?
He's in the tax accounting profession, and he's also a graduate of CCNYU University.
Ooh, sounds like a goofball to me.
What does the goofball think of your vocation?
My what?
Your chosen field of endeavor, child? Have you told him you're in the rent-a-body business?
He knows.
She ain't told him.
In the first place, Oscar is too highly educated to be bothered with things like that. And in the second place, he knows because I told him.
That you're a dance hall host.
Yes!
You told him.
I told him!
When?
Next Sunday. I'll tell him next Sunday in Coney Island.
She won't listen. That girl just will not listen.
What do you think they talk about when they're alone?
Talk, honey? That girl is built for everything but conversation.
Yeah, he probably does all the talking. Handing her those smooth lines like, baby, last night I dreamt that you and I were in a cozy cottage covered with clinging vines.
And there we were, clinging more than the vine.
And then he converts the convertible sofa and really gets to work. Quote, baby, dream your dream. Close your eyes and try it. Dream of furniture. Dream that I can buy it.
That fancy bed you prayed for, not only bought but paid for.
Dream we sign the lease. Leave a small deposit.
3 1/2 rooms with a walk-in closet. We'll ask the local jet set to dine on our dinette set.
Right across the street, there's a friendly vacuum. Make a friendly loan,
And the bank says thank you.
every Saturday. We'll spend all our money.
Join the PTA.
They will love ya, honey. Life will be frozen peaches and cream. Baby, dream your dream. Can you see the little love nest in 3 years?
She's feeding the chicks and he's ready to fly the coop.
3 fat, hungry kids, all in pink condition.
So, who's in the red?
That night's obstetrician, Big Daddy's favorite pastime. He's had it for the last time, so Daddy, don't come home. He said he's gone bowling, but a bowling ball is not what Daddy's rolling. Every night they fight. Once they both exploded, then they both got tied.
Tight, how they got loaded. But who knows who will sour the cream when you dream your...
But come to think of it,
How happy I would be.
if someday I could find the kind of guy